In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam cursor chat in team meetings. To begin, open your FigJam file so everyone is looking at the same board. Give the canvas a second to load and make sure you're actually in a FigJam board, not a Figma design file. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the playful FigJam tools like sticky notes and stamps along the toolbar. If your teammates are joining the session, wait until their cursors appear at the top or around the canvas so you know you're all together. Now for the magic. Press the slash key on your keyboard to start cursor chat. When you press slash, a small text field pops up right at your cursor, letting you fire off a quick message without breaking your flow. Your chat follows your pointer so people can see who's speaking and where your attention is on the board. It's designed for fast, lightweight coordination in the moment, perfect for quick clarifications, short updates, or side remarks that don't need to live on the board forever. A few things make cursor chat especially useful during meetings. It reduces talking over each other on voice calls because you can drop a quick note while someone else is presenting. It also keeps the canvas clean. You're not cluttering the board with sticky notes or comments for thoughts that are meant to be temporary. If you're facilitating, encourage teammates to use it for brief questions, time checks, and heads-ups like 1 minute left or scroll to the top left. If pressing slash doesn't seem to do anything, click once on an empty part of the canvas and try again. Cursor chat won't open if your focus is inside another text field, a shape, or a modal. Also confirm your keyboard layout. On some layouts, the slash key may be in a different spot, so try the key that produces wash in a regular text editor to locate it. And remember, this feature is specific to FigJam. Pressing slash in a Figma design file will behave differently. Use cursor chat as a lightweight back channel, but move important decisions into more persistent formats once you've aligned. For long-running notes, a sticky or a comment is better, so the team can reference it later. Keep messages short and clear, and consider starting with a quick identifier like heads up or FYI to set the tone at a glance. That's it. Open your FigJam file, press slash to start cursor chat, and keep your meeting flowing with fast, focused communication right from your cursor.